Thanks for coming back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. Welcome back, Diamond Squad, Diamond Crew. Come on, you guys. Let's go. These opportunities are knocking. Please answer these popular doors, you guys. They are here for you and at your fingertips. And here we go. The first job this morning is a work at home customer service. Work at home customer service experience coordinator. It's a bank. You can do a bank voice at Capital One. The company's name is Capital One, and the pay is $20 an hour. It's a remote position. It's based out in St. Cloud, Minnesota, and you can apply at their website, and I will post the website down below. Now, the benefits of this job are 401k, dental insurance, disability insurance, employee stock purchase plan, flexible spending account, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, paid training, prescription drug insurance, tuition reimbursement, and vision insurance. The full job description is here. It's Thomas Edison, North, United States of America, St. Cloud, Minnesota. Work at home customer service coordinator, bank voice. More than just a bank, more than just a career, your voice is our voice. We'll champion you. The best people listen and then say, how can I help? That's what we do at Capital One. It's how we take care of our customers. It's how we're changing banking for good with compassion and real solutions. Money can be stressful. Getting help shouldn't be. Our customer care team is supported and empowered to be the best people to people. And we'll have your back every step of the way. That's life at Capital One. More than just training, more about you. At Capital One, it's important that our associates have the necessary skills and know how to succeed in their roles and best serve our customers. For that reason, we invest heavily in both formal and informal learning development opportunities. Through these training programs in your day-to-day work, you'll find that successful associates at Capital One will demonstrate ability and willingness to learn, strong attention to detail, positive attitude, and ability to be flexible and embrace change. Demonstrate a strong customer focus rooted in empathy. Communicate effectively with peers, management, and customers. Exercise good judgment and independent decision-making skills. Demonstrate exceptional listening, questioning, call control, and de-escalate techniques. Be proactive. Have effective time management and organizational skills. Display dependability with a solid attendance record. Have strong technical training support, technical troubleshooting techniques, and maintain sufficient, reliable, private internet connection, not supplied by use of cellular data, not a hotspot, with the ability to hardwire via Ethernet cable. Ability to sit in front of a PC monitor taking phone calls using multiple systems for extended periods of time. And the competition is $20 per hour once again, and additional 5% applies to Wilmington, Delaware, and 10% for McLean, Virginia. More benefits, more health, more wealth, and more life. Capital One believes in encouraging you to fill up your cup and come back fresh. Combine that with above and beyond benefits, and you might be onto something. Medical, dental, vision, prescription coverage day one. These are the benefits once again. Flexible scheduling, paid time off, well-being offerings such as backup childcare and mental wellness support, tuition reimbursement, and paid training and development offered quarterly. Flexible spending account, life insurance as well as disability insurance, 401k, and stock purchase plan. At Capital One, we strive to attract the best people to give them the opportunity to be great. Rich D. Fairbank, Chairman and Founder and CEO, we believe in power of one. Work and culture at Capital One. Basic qualifications. Have your high school diploma, GED, or equivalent certification. At least 2 years of customer service experience or 2 years of call center experience. Work at home technology requirements. A secure home office environment that is free of from background noise and distractions. A reliable private internet connection that is not supplied by use of cellular data hotspot. Cable or fiber connections are preferred. Internet service download speeds must be at least 5 megabits per second, with 10 plus megabits preferred. Check your download speed with a speed test. A sample one can be found here. To test your home internet from your personal computer at home, type www.speedtest.net into the web browser of your personal computer. Sustained ability to maintain latency less than 250 megaseconds in voice calls is required. Hardwired connection is preferred. Any use of wireless connectivity must be private, non-public, and password protected through WPA to PSK AES encryption. If you have any question about your encryption, please consult with your internet provider. A private network is password protected where you have ownership or line of sight to every device on the network. Capital One reserves the right to request proof of internet provider, speed, and service package from the associate. Requirements are subject to change as new systems and technology is delivered. Capital One reserves the right to modify internet service requirements with 60 days notice. Work at home living requirements. Candidates must live within approximately 100 miles driving distance of 56301 St. Cloud, Minnesota, 19801 Wilmington, Delaware, 22102 McLean, Virginia, or 23060 Richmond, Virginia, and be comfortable coming in person whenever required with no less than 24 hours notice. If you are unable to obtain the required Capital One work at home compatible internet access, or you live beyond 125 miles of the specific hub site, Capital One reserves the right to rescind this offer. At this time, Capital One will not sponsor a new applicant for employment authorization for this position. No agencies, please. Capital One is an equal opportunity employer, so if you live within these 4 counties and states, then of St. Cloud, Minnesota, Wilmington, Delaware, McLean, Virginia, and Richmond, Virginia, well, within these 3 states, then you will be able to get hired on with Capital One work at home. To be a work at home customer experience coordinator, bank voice, starting at $20 per hour. And yes, you can apply at this website. I will paste the website down below in the description box for you guys. And yes, jump on it because it's a great job. And you can get hired on if you have all the qualifications, you meet the requirements, and then you're within the state of 125 miles of St. Cloud, Minnesota. Then you can be able to get into this job, and they do have reasonable accommodations for anyone who needs help with filling out the application or have any questions about the applications. And it's on this phone call right here. Well, the phone number is 1-800-304, not phone call, but the phone number 1-800-304-9102, or email at recruiting accommodation, capital R for recruiting and capital A for accommodation at capitalone.com. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. I hope you guys apply to this job if you're within the Minnesota area, 125 radius of that area, within Delaware and Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, and McLean, Virginia, and within St. Cloud, Minnesota itself, then you can apply. I hope you guys find this job to be helpful, and I hope to see you guys back on the next video. Goodbye, and have a very, very, very safe day.